Global IP Trust presents the BMW Motorrad Vision DC Roadster. This is the Vision DC Roadster from BMW Motorrad. It is a futuristic concept electric motorcycle from the famed automotive genius. The Motorrad has been BMW's motorcycle division since 1923. The Vision DC Roadster is the result of BMW's pursuit of electrification. It replaces the traditional Motorrad boxer engine with a powerful, yet efficient and eco-friendly electric motor. The Vision bike retains the identity and iconic appearance of BMW Motorrad in distinctive form, while at the same time presenting an exciting new type of riding pleasure. A vertically fitted, longitudinally oriented battery now replaces the traditional R32 boxer engines. The large battery, with its laterally protruding cooling systems, is positioned at the center of a frame milled from aluminium. The cylinder-shaped electric motor is positioned underneath the battery and is directly connected to the universal shaft. The Vision DC Roadster presents a highly dynamic gesture with clear front wheel orientation. Elements such as the seat and the cooling system appear to hover around the battery. The BMW Motorrad Vision DC Roadster is a visionary symbol of the future of BMW Motorrad with alternative drive forms. For more information on the Vision DC Roadster, visit bmw.com. Thank you for watching. If you liked our video, please subscribe, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more.